This video is to help you with Yankee Doodle. This piece should not be tricky for you at all. You should be able to play all of these notes. There's one rhythm that we're going to focus on just a little bit. The lyrics have a little bit of a comical twist to it, I suppose. It says, put a feather in his cap and called it macaroni. What in the world does that mean? I think what it's supposed to mean is a long time ago, calling something macaroni kind of meant that it was really cool. And so it's sort of like the soldiers of one area sort of making a joke about the soldiers of the other area, thinking that putting a feather in their cap was cool when they were really kind of making fun of them. And so that's what it is. It's really kind of like a joke is what those lyrics mean. So Yankee Doodle went to town, let me read it from here. Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a pony, stuck a feather in his cap, and called it macaroni. And so that's what it is. So supposed to be like, yeah, they think they're really cool putting a feather in their cap. That's what it is. And so Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music. Let me make this bigger so I can see it. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy. Okay, so now quarter notes, quarter notes, quarter notes, quarter notes, steady, 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 and then half notes. Same things, quarter notes, quarter notes, quarter notes, quarter notes, and half notes be steady. But then when we get right here, we want to be sure we understand this rhythm. I know you can hear it, and I know you know how it goes. A dotted quarter note gets 1 plus 1/2 of a beat. A dot always gets 1/2 of whatever is in front of it. We can have dotted anything. We can have dotted quarter notes, dotted half notes, dotted whole notes. We can have dotted eighth notes. We can have dotted rests. The dot always gets half of whatever is in front of it. So in this case, we know the quarter note gets 1. Then the dot gets half. So when we're counting out loud and we're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, we're going to say 2 on the dot, and there's the other half of that beat. The dot plus the eighth note equals beat 2, and then there's beat 3, and there's beat 4. So 1, 2, and 3, 4. Look at it. 1, 2, and 3, 4. We're going to play on beat 1. We're going to play on the and after we say 2. And we're going to play on beat 3, and we're going to play on beat 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Do that with me. Ready, go. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Let's do it again. Ready, go. 1, 2, and 3, 4. One more time. Do it with me. Ready, go. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Make sure you understand that. I'm going to take this all away. When we have a dotted quarter note, it equals 1.5 beats in 4/4 time. Okay, now here's an eighth note all by itself that equals 1/2 of a beat. Okay, so I'm going to shrink this back down. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to clap for you all of line 3. I want you to listen one time, and then I want you to clap it. Okay, and I want you to clap it on your own when you're not even watching this video. Okay, watch and listen to me clap. You point. Ready, point. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have the hiccups. Same thing for the next 2 measures. Look, there's another dotted quarter note, and then eighth note, and then 2 quarter notes. So it's the same thing in that next pink box. 1, 2, and 3, 4. You need to understand that. That's the only thing that makes this tricky. If we get to, we're going to play a duet on this. Or if you're studying with another teacher and you're watching this video, maybe you can play with your teacher. Okay, I'm going to play this whole thing for you. You point. 1, 2, point. Let's go faster. 1, 2, point now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Here it comes. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if you can get that steady, then somebody can play the duet with you, and it's going to be so cool. It's going to be amazing and fun. You be sure that you remember a dotted quarter note in 4/4 time equals 1 1/2 beats. If we were to write that out, if you were taking a theory test and they said, how many beats does a dotted quarter note get? That's what it looks like, 1 1/2. How many beats does that note get? The way you would write that is just 1/2, like that. That is an eighth note, and it gets 1/2. Make sure you know that. I know you can do it. Have fun practicing Yankee Doodle. Being steady is more important than anything. You should practice with your metronome. Put the steady beat in your heart. Don't go any faster than you can be steady. Have fun. Practicing the piano is a gift.